Every siding job you complete could look like this. Clean lines, architectural detail, the kind of curb appeal that makes the homeowner call their neighbor. That's Quoin Corners, and it's already on your truck in 20 minutes. Most siding jobs finish the same way they start. Plain corners, no architectural interest, nothing that sets the home apart. The homeowner is happy enough, but happy enough isn't a referral. It isn't a photo on your website, and it isn't the extra line on the invoice that costs you nothing to offer. Quoin Corners are molded, UV-stabilized polymer quoin blocks that install directly onto vinyl-sided and stucco exteriors, new builds and retrofits alike. There are two SKUs, the Quoin Corner, which fits over existing corners, and the Quoin Flat, which lets you add a quoin to an inside corner or flat facade. Each block is designed with integrated J-channel, ready to receive all siding types right out of the box. And unlike wood or metal trim, these highly durable blocks won't rot, crack, or corrode. The same UV-stabilized polymer that protects them from the sun keeps them looking fresh as the day they were installed, for decades. Both come in 5 colors: white, clay, tan, cream, and gray, to match virtually any trim package. Made in the USA and patented. Backed by a 40-year limited warranty against UV and moisture damage. Maintenance-free from the day they go on. Here's why contractors choose Quoin Corners over everything else on the market. First, the install. No special tools, no subcontractors, nothing that isn't already on your truck. Any member of your crew can run a corner start to finish. Second, no callbacks. The Wedge-Lock. That's the patented mechanism at the heart of every block. Snaps each piece to the next with a positive, audible click that is mechanical confirmation of a secure, weather-tight lock. Earlier Quoin systems stacked, but didn't lock. The Wedge-Lock changed all of that. Alignment is built in, spacing is automatic, and what goes on straight stays straight. Third, the 40-year limited warranty protects your reputation as much as the product. UV and water resistant, maintenance-free. You install it once, and you're done. And fourth, the upsell. High value, low materials cost, available in 5 colors to match any job. Quoin Corners are one of the easiest ways to grow your average ticket without adding complexity to the job. You won't need anything you don't already carry. A tape measure, a level, a handsaw or circular saw, a hammer, and galvanized nails or screws. That's the complete list. No special blades, no adhesives, no additional labor. Let's take a closer look at the block itself. This is a single Quoin Corner. Molded UV-stabilized polymer, clean edges, designed to project boldly from the wall surface. Now watch what happens when 2 blocks come together. The wedge geometry on the top of each block is designed to engage the lip of the one above it. No alignment required, no measuring the gap. As the upper block descends onto the lower one, the wedges engage. You can see the fit tightening. And then, click. Positive lock. That's the Wedge-Lock. Mechanical confirmation that the block has seated past the lip and is weather tight. That sound means the job is done on that joint. Spacing is automatic. Alignment is built in. You cannot advance to the next block until the current one is properly seated. And if a block ever needs to come off, watch. The side flange deforms slightly under pressure and the block releases cleanly. Non-destructive, fully reversible, low risk for you, and an easy conversation with the homeowner. Now what you're seeing here is one way to approach the wall installation, piece by piece. It works, but there's a faster method worth knowing. Assemble the full column on the ground first, measure your height, cut the bottom block to fit, snap the entire column together as a unit, then hang it as one piece and nail through the side flanges. Because the Wedge-Lock holds everything rigid and perfectly aligned, the assembled column goes up straight every time. No adjustments, no second guessing once it's on the wall. Either way, feed your siding panel ends into the vertical groove along the outer edge of each block. The cut end disappears completely. No raw edge, no caulk needed at that joint. Clean and finished from day one. A thin bead of paintable caulk at the soffit closes any remaining gap. And the job is done the same day it starts. The result speaks for itself. A finished corner that looks like it was always part of the home, available in 5 colors to match any trim package, and a job you're proud to photograph. Quoin Corners. Visit quoincorners.com. The upsell that sells itself.